adjourned.
Judge Ian Farlam said that they are adjourning the commission because of the commemoration that's coming up on Friday, as well as to give more time to the issue of funding. You know, it remains a burning issue with the legal representatives of the injured and arrested minors. We know that they have since gone to the Constitutional Court. Basically, what I can say is that it's been another slow start for the Commission of Inquiry into the Marikana incident. We also saw some of the families of the police officers that were killed, as well as the security guards attending today's proceedings. As for the legal representatives of the minors, they were nowhere to be seen today until that issue of funding is resolved.
Now, did Judge Ian Farlam indicate whether the hearings will continue without the minors' lawyers if they don't get funding?
The indication that we're getting from the chairperson of the commission is that they are hoping that in the next few days, or at least by Monday, the issue of funding would have been resolved by then. Yesterday, we attended a press conference that has been called under the banner of the Marikana support campaign, the team organizing the commemoration due to be held on Friday. We saw Advocate Dalim Pofu. I asked him about where the issue is at the moment, and he says that he didn't want to comment a lot on issues that is still before the court. The date in terms as far as the Constitutional Court is concerned has also not been divulged, so we don't know when that hearing will be held. But Judge Ian Farlam saying that they hope that by Monday it will be resolved. Just to give you some of the interesting statistics, Judge Ian Farlam saying that so far what the commission has done, they've held 114 sessions, and then submissions have been made, as well as evidence that ran into about 12,000 pages. So you can see that a lot of work has been done, but the issue of funding is really delaying the matter.
Njanji, it seems quiet where you are. Have there been any protesters or any groups gathering at all?
It's been very quiet here, as you can see on the background. It was a quick adjournment indeed. I think we stayed in the hall, in the conference center, for about 30 minutes at the most. It started just after 10 o'clock, and in about 15 to 20 minutes, the proceedings were adjourned. The people that were here today, we spoke to one lady, Mrs. Fundi, whose husband is one of the first people that were killed in August last year. On the 12th of August, her husband was a security guard at Lonmin. He's one of the people that were killed, as well as the sister of one of the warrant officers, the police officers that were killed also last year in August. As we know that this week we've seen a number of commemoration events, but the main one will be held at the site of the killings, at the Kopi, on Friday, and then SABC News will be there to give you the events as they happen.
Njanji, thank you very much for that. That's our reporter, Njani Chauke.